replace, so that will be 2, 6, and 3. That will be here for the magnitude of A, pretty easy. That will be, that's the formula we have to know. That will be 2 squared, that will be 4, plus minus 2 squared is also 4, and 1 squared is 1. That will be root of 9, and that should be 3. And the magnitude of B, that will be same again. That will be 2 squared will be 4, 6 squared will be 36, and 3 squared will be 9. So 4 plus 36 plus 9, that should be 49, and that should be root of 49, that will give you 7. So replace, A will be the value of 3, and 4, and B will be 7, and cos of theta. Now simplify, so here we have to do dot product, so 2 times 2 is 4, plus obviously minus 2 times 6 will be minus 12, plus 1 times 3 is 3, and that should be 3 times 7 is 21, cos of theta. Now always double check, so 3 times 7 is 21, indeed. So here we have 4 minus 12 plus 3, that will be minus 5, divided by 21, that will give you cos of theta. And finally for the angle in between, which is theta, have to be cos inverse of minus 5 over the value of 21. Cos inverse of that should give you 103.8 degrees. Again, angles, we always like to give them correct to 1 decimal place. So angles are a bit different, not 3SF, but 1 decimal place for angles which are non-exact. That will be part 1 of the question. Now for part 2, we have to find the value of P for which BC and C, they are perpendicular. Now if you think, let's say BC is this direction, so B is this direction, and C is this direction. Now we understand that if they are perpendicular, the angle in between them have to be 90, which means theta is equal to 90 degrees. So again, it's always going to be going back to the same equation. If you think, here we have B dot of C, we have magnitude of B, magnitude of C, and then cos of the angle. But now we realize that the angle here is 90 degrees. So if you type in cos 90 is 0. So the conclusion is that whenever you have two vectors, they are perpendicular to each other, their dot products have to give you the value of 0. That is the conclusion what we can have from this. So now what is B? We know B is 2, 6, 3. Dot of C is P plus 1, have to give you the value of 0. So dot product, so 2 times P will be P, plus 6 times P will be 6P, plus 3 times this will be 3P, plus the value of 3 have to be 0. Simplify, 2P plus 6P plus 3P, that will be 11P, plus 3 have to be 0. So 11P have to be minus 3, so P have to be minus 3 over the value of 11. Okay, that will be your question regarding vectors for paper 1.